Ever wondered how to make your smoothies more nutritious? Well, you're not alone. The world of smoothies is vast, filled with countless combinations of fruits, vegetables, and add-ins. But not all smoothies are created equal. Some are packed with sugar and lack nutritional value, while others are powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating these healthy smoothies into your diet can boost your energy levels, improve digestion, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of nourishing smoothies and how you can easily make them at home. A nutritious smoothie starts with the right ingredients. It's the quality and freshness of these ingredients that pack the punch in your smoothie. Think of vibrant fruits, crunchy vegetables, and powerful proteins. These are the building blocks of a truly nutritious smoothie. Let's start with the fruits. Berries with their high antioxidant content are a great choice. Bananas, rich in potassium and fiber, add a creamy texture and natural sweetness. Now for the veggies. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients like iron and vitamin K. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. Next up, proteins. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, and it gives your smoothie a delightful tang. Almonds, on the other hand, provide healthy fats and a satisfying crunch when used as a topping. Remember, the key to a nutritious smoothie is to balance the sweetness of fruits with the nutritional punch of vegetables and proteins. Now that you know the ingredients, let's move on to the blending process. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, add the liquid base to your blender. This could be anything from water, milk, or a dairy-free alternative like almond milk. You'll want roughly 1 to 2 cups, depending on how thick you like your smoothies. Next, it's time for the fruits and veggies. This is where you'll get a lot of your vitamins and minerals. You'll need about 2 cups of fruits and vegetables. You can use anything that you like, but a good base might include bananas, berries, spinach, or kale. Remember, the more variety, the broader the range of nutrients. Now, let's not forget about the proteins. Protein is crucial for repairing and building tissues, and it also helps to keep you feeling full. Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder, or you can use natural sources like Greek yogurt or chia seeds. The ideal proportions for a smoothie are about 1/3 liquid, 1/3 fruits and veggies, and 1/3 protein. But of course, feel free to adjust to your liking. Once everything is in the blender, it's time to blend it all up. You'll want to blend until the texture is smooth and creamy. This ensures all the ingredients are well combined and makes your smoothie enjoyable to drink. And there you have it. A simple guide to making a nourishing smoothie that not only tastes great but also fuels your body. So, to recap, the secret to a nourishing smoothie lies in the careful selection of fresh, nutrient-rich ingredients. Remember, the right blend of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats is key to optimizing your health and vitality. The blending process is equally important to ensure the ingredients are well mixed for a smooth, delicious beverage. With this guide, you can now enjoy a delicious and nutritious smoothie anytime you want. Happy blending!